Blue or red? Hey yo guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shay Cray for those of you who don't know, and I'm back with another real-time unboxing video. If you're new here, welcome. Like I said, I like to do real-time unboxings, but I also quite like to just throw in a review, some details, basically anything you could possibly want to know about a crepe, and just put that all in a video for you guys, just in case you do want to, go get these. What I have is, it's a nice little setting today, I can't even lie to you. These are the Air Jordan 6's UNCs that just dropped. Unfortunately, if you're in the States, you only got a shock drop for this. You didn't get a sneakers release like we did. So I actually got my first dub of the year on sneakers on these, which is kind of weird because the previous year I got the same silhouette as my first dub. So let's prayerfully hope this year's going to be better than last year, because I didn't get nothing last year. But yeah, I guess there's nothing really left to do but to go ahead and open the box. Before I go ahead and open this box up, if you are liking these videos, you're finding the content useful, helpful, entertaining, any of that business, be a G, be a real one, drop a comment, leave a like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. But let's get into the video. I'm just gonna open it up. It's a song, original by me. Okay, see, they're doing me dirty on the box again. This takes me back to like my childhood. I was literally going through my boxes the other day and all of my boxes are like this. It's giving me a throwback. So here we have the box, and I think they've done me dirty. I think that if you got the men's one, I think you got a nice crispy blue box with a nice white Jumpman and I think some elephant print or whatever. I got a GS in it, so they've just dubbed me with this box. It is what it is. I have like 100,000 of these. Like I said, like this reminds me growing up, this box was all I would see. So on the front for this one, all we've got is the kind of gold Jumpman. There's nothing really else like going on. We do have the size at the front. I've sized down in these just purely because I hit on the Carmines last year and I got a 6Y and they were massive. So I have sized down, as I think this is a silhouette thing for the 6's, so hopefully they fit. I mean, I'm not even going to bother talking about this tissue paper. Whack. I don't know how I feel about these. They might be nicer than the Carmines. Maybe. I thought I was going to like them more than this. Maybe 6's just aren't for me, but the colour's clean. Not me low-key looking at StockX prices right now. So now I've undone the lace locking system a little bit. It looks better now it's opened up. It was just, they'd drawn it out there to death. So let's get into some details on these. So these essentially have the same kind of colour blocking as the Carmines did, but they've just switched it up. This shoe is a nod to UNC, University of North Carolina. You know, if you know Michael Jordan and all that history, you would understand where that comes from. So it is in this university blue colour. We then also do have these white leather overlays. They're pretty decent. The leather on it, I'm not going to knock. That is decent. Going towards the toe box, it's relatively plain, again, just in this UNC blue colour. I've always found that 6's unnecessarily crease really quick, but now I've sized down, that might kind of pattern that down a little bit. You can feel the tongue through here is actually really spongy. There's a bit of black in here. You can't see it too much, but it is in there. We've also got accents of a more navy blue, not only on the toggle with the Jumpman, but also the Jumpman here in the laces. It also is in the liner and the midsole. Keeping it in this area, we then just have these white laces with the navy blue toggle and the white Jumpman. This lacing system is just Jordan 6's, isn't it? Like, if you've seen Jordan 6's, it's gonna be like this. It goes up to this tongue, which is translucent blue. It's quite icy. It's fly in it, I'm not gonna lie. We then just have some more Jordan branding, but just the name on the top of it. And because it's translucent, you can see this argyle print poking through, because it is actually on the back, but you can see it poking through on the front as well. And another little touch that they've done is that actual print also carries on into the soles. We then have this woven tag stitched onto the back, again in this UNC blue colour. This is clean. I really like this. I'm just going to compare it to my Carmine's, which I've got here, which has the Nike Air branding on the heel. I know people always have preferences of what they like on the back, but I feel like this is a nice little shout. Above that, then we've just got a tab with this fleece-like material that is the same as the inner sock lining. We then have this handy little kind of pull tab to help you get your crepes on. Again, just slightly highlighted with this UNC blue stripe. Traveling down to this midsole, we then just have this stacked black and white. I think I did read somewhere that this was like a navy blue. But it definitely shows up more black if it is meant to be like that. We then do have this, obviously, air bubble unit. I personally don't find 6's any more or less comfy than any other Jordan, but regardless, the unit is there. We then have that outer sole poking through with this, again, translucent blue. I'm a fan of the translucent, if I'm honest. I've seen a few crepes with it on, and I think it looks cold. I can't lie. On the right shoot, definitely looks cold. It then just goes into the sole, which again has more of these translucent parts, but the majority of it is in this white, and then we have that big blue Jumpman right in the middle. So I just went and quickly tried these on my feet, and first little side note, they definitely do look better on foot. For a good outfit or something, I feel like they will look nice. I just probably don't think I'm a 6 girl. I don't know if now I've got a red and a blue pair, I don't know if I'll probably just pass on 6's for now, if I'm honest. But size wise, really glad that I sized down on this. As always, I can only talk for a grade school size, so if that's what you are, that's basically who I'm talking to right now. I would say half a size down. I'm normally a 6Y across the board. Like I said, my Carmine's were a 6Y, and they creased straight away because they were just too big. So definitely half a size down. I think a full size would just be too much. I think you're going to be touching the toe box. It's going to be tight. So for my recommendation, it's half a size down. So if you've been on this channel for a minute, you know exactly what I'm about to say. There's only one thing left to do, which is to just give them a little bit of a gas rating. My initial first thoughts are getting these out of the box. Now, some people are going to be unhappy with what I say, especially since so many people struggle to get this. I'm not blown away, but I'm going to say this. The colours, hitting. The shade of blue that these are, I really do like that. The leather overlays, good quality. And it's actually got, I would say, excellent QC, especially compared to a lot of pairs I've recently brought up. If you've been and watched those videos, I can't really see anything wrong with these. They are blessed. So if this is something you like, definitely, if you can grab this, do it. But for me, unfortunately, it's just not hitting as much as it was meant to hit. So I'm going to have to give these a 6. So thanks for checking in with me and just going over on these details on these UNC 6's. Still a super clean pair, innit? Like, don't, look, what do I know, innit? In a couple months' time, I'll probably be rocking them 24/7, and you're going to be like, Shay, didn't you say you didn't like these? And I'll be like, shut up. So still a clean pair. Honestly, go rock them if you want to go rock them. But do leave a comment down below and let me know if you managed to cop them, or even if you're in the States, if you managed to get the shock drop, because that was a bit of a mazza. That was a bit of a mad one, innit? Or alternatively, come over to Instagram. That's where I am 90% of the time, if I'm honest. So yeah, until the next one, peace, love, and I'm out. Yo, that's so so cringe.